A lot of people using cars every day, but 20% environment pollution has been caused by the car we drive. But company O2 Band Pro finds solution. The O2 Band Pro increases the concentration of oxygen inhaled into the engine through the interaction of electromagnetic wave, energy and air, leading to improved combustion efficiency and reduce exhaust gas. Now I show how install. Opening hood and here air filter. We must to install here. Before installing we must to wash air filter. This is easy for installing and we can close hood. With O2 Band Pro you will feel soft driving, less noise, more comfortable feeling. It is good for the environment, better fuel efficiency.